Today we are at one of our favorite places in the entire world, Maui, Hawaii, and we're at the Grand Wailea Resort. And sometimes we see something when we're traveling that we're like, yes, we need to make a video on this and show it to you guys. And we found something here that is exclusive, that is rare.
There's only one in the entire world.
Seriously. A water elevator. What even is it, and why the heck do they have it?
A water elevator.
We haven't even gone on it yet because we thought this needs to be a video. We're gonna show you guys what it's all about. So right behind us is the famous water elevator. Let us know in the comments, have you been to Grand Wailea? Because this thing has been here for 27 years. This entire park is a series of slides that goes from pool to pool to pool. There's like 7 or 8 slides that you can go from the top all the way down to the bottom and come back through. There's a little door over there, looks kind of like a submarine door or something. We go inside, I don't know what happens, but we are going to be propelled and elevated to the top. I don't know if it's quick, if it's slow, what it looks like. We're gonna go on it right now for our first time and then tell you more about how the thing works, get a little bit of an inside look into what's inside the water elevator, because this is unique. It is so big. What is this thing?
It's a giant magnet.
Like a giant magnet.
Yeah.
There's a waterfall. There's a camera up there. Hi. It's like we're in a cave right now. Oh, look at the door. All right. Aloha guys. Ready to Logan? I'm your water elevator operator today. Okay, it is going up. We're going up. Check it out right here. You can see that going up. Ah, the water is getting me. The water is filling up this cave-like chamber, and as it does it, it lifts up this giant metal circle with all of us inside of it.
It's like a cave. We're just rising water in a cave.
Yeah.
So cool.
It's like a slow blowhole. I don't know if that's a good comparison. The original owner of this resort that built this water park had a son that was disabled. He was paralyzed. And so he wanted a way to be able to get from the lower part of the water park up to the upper part of the water park. $1.2 million just for this water elevator. And that's how many years ago was this built? Like 20 years ago?
It was built in 1991.
1991, guys. There's no mechanical anything with this. This is all floating. Look how high we are. Look down there.
Wow. We just went that high with water.
Whoop. There's actually a wall that comes up right here. How do you get that one up? Turn the big wheel?
Yes, sir.
All right, so check this out. Logan is turning this wheel right here, and it's closing the door, and then now the water is going to start lowering, and the volcano down below is going to start exploding water. There it goes, Lincoln! Yeah! So there's the waterfall. It just turned on. It's draining. All the water from inside of there is coming out. So now we're gonna take you and show you inside the pump room. We're getting exclusive access right now to see inside the water fountain.
It's right through these doors.
Authorized personnel only.
You're not carnival personnel!
Pumps and water!
There it is. We've shown you the World War II memorial video where we went down into the pipes underneath the monument. This looks very similar, except I have to duck a lot more. This is flowing all of the water to every one of the slides. Just the water elevator alone takes 16,000 gallons of water.
16,000, that's ridiculous.
16,000 gallons of water go up and go down, and does that all day long. That's a lot of work. So, when someone, okay, that's good. This is a sign you don't want to see, but it can happen sometime. And be nice to them if it goes out, because they are working hard to keep this thing going. They're pumping 25,000 gallons per minute in the pool.
Per minute.
I don't think we should be authorized personnel. We should probably go before we break something. Let's go. Look at this little wall is holding back pretty much all of the water. And then it's that giant hole. And now there's a series of slides that go all the way down. You can take the fast option, which is right here through a cave. Let's see it, Lincoln. Bye, buddy. Or you can go down this smaller one right here that takes you to that pool, that then takes you to that pool, that then takes you to a lazy river, then another pool. It's crazy. Now we enter the lazy river.
Oh, this is where you become lazy.
Yeah, this is very lazy. So this is the slow way, but the fun way to get to the bottom. What happens at the top? So right now he's spinning the valve so that the water will start flowing into the water elevator.
Yeah, that's some work.
That is a lot of spinning he's got going on. Okay, it's locked. Now close the valve, and now it's filling up with water. You can see the pool down here, the lower pool with the ocean and all the trees. We've got a giant water slide right over here. So there you go, there's your water elevator, something that you never knew existed, but is really, really cool. So while you decide which video to watch next, we're gonna go down their big giant slide that they just made. So Lincoln, you're first. Go, buddy, go.
I'm screaming all the way down. You ready?
Let's hear it. Yeah!
Did you scream?
Yeah, I heard you screaming.
Yeah, nice.
Nice job. Whoop.